Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface inside AutoCAD. Here, this is actually a surface from many patches here. So you can see that multi-surface here put together. And this is actually a part of solid top surface here. So the original model is like this one here. I'll show you. And this is actually the original model here. So we explode the model here and then just put in the top surface in one layer, and then we're going to get this one here. So with our tools here, you can unfold this surface into a single contour here. It's very simple to do it here, and just use the command here, G unfold. And then you just window select this whole surface and then hit return, and then ask you whether you want to unfold the inner boundary together. You just see yes here, or you can see no, it doesn't matter. So, and then you're going to get this the new result here, and this is actually the result here. So another thing I want to mention here is that if you have a curve here, for example, assuming that you have a line here, so on the surface, and then you can select them as well, so all together, and then they will unfold in the contour within this curve on the surface as well. So you have a marking line or seam line here in the hot plate, and then we can unfold them as well. And yeah, it's very easy to use. So just download the plugin from our website and then load into the AutoCAD, and then you can have the command G unfold here. That's for today. Thank you. Bye.